Okay, so we are done with our second dashboard. Okay, don't forget to give a title for each table so it is easily identified. Yeah. Okay, you can name it with your preference lah ya. For example, this is dashboard persediaan bahan baku. Okay. As I have told you in our last meeting, actually in Excel in pivot table, it is better for you not to merge any cells for title. Just do centering the distribution within some cells by clicking in home tab menu and then alignment toolbar and then click this arrow and then in the horizontal uh, dialog box, click center across selection. But before that, make sure that you block several cells which should be grouped. Yeah, should be the place where the title is uh, shown. So click center across selection mm, and then click OK. Now we have a centered title. You can also enlarge. Okay. Um, If you would like to replace or rename several fields title, it is also okay. Like this, for example, row labels. It's not informative, yeah. So you can replace it by typing, as simple as typing. For example, nama produk dan ukuran. Oh, kode produk, kode dan ukuran produk. For example, you can also delete the word sum of, yeah, and make it centered. Okay, don't forget to redesign the table, the dashboard. Uh, so my nuanced is yellow. I prefer this one. I prefer this one. All right. Okay. What is the benefit of having this dashboard? The benefit is that the owner of this business can monitor how much profit that I make for every sales. Yeah. So this dashboard will updating continuously. Whenever there is another sales take place, this dashboard will change accordingly. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to also give the title of this table, dashboard uh, penjualan dan keuntungan. For example, you can name it as you want. All right. So finally, we come to the last dashboard we should make. That is dashboard persediaan barang dagang. So actually, this is slightly different with the first dashboard. Maybe the similarity is that both of them are about inventory. Yeah, the first table is inventory of direct material, while this one is finished good inventory. Okay. So what tables do I have to involve in this pivot table for the last table? There are actually there are more than four, more than five. Yes. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Actually, there are four tables involved. There are tabel penjualan, produk, produk ukuran, ya, and then produksi produk. So in tabel penjualan, what field we have is jumlah terjual, okay, in quantity. And then the tabel produk, what we need are name produk and then persediaan barang dagangan. Okay, please be cautious. This field persediaan barang dagangan is a formula or a measurement. So you have to make it first. What is the formula of this measure? Actually, that's simple, same as earlier. We just have to subtract kuantitas kemasan and jumlah terjual. And then the third table is ukuran. So because we have to break down the quantity of each product and each size, yeah, packaging size. And then the last table is produksi underscore produk. From this table, we need kuantitas kemasan to show. Yes? Okay, let's get started. So as usual, go to data menu and then data model and then click pivot table. Click existing worksheet. Yeah. And then look for penjualan. What we need from this table is jumlah terjual, produk, 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 kode produk, yes. And then persediaan barang dagangan, ukuran, from produk ukuran we need ukuran, and then um, produksi produk. Nah, in produksi produk we need kuantitas kemasan ya. Okay, so like that in the second table, we resort uh, the columns into its chronological order. So the first is sum of kuantitas kemasan, and then jumlah terjual, and then persediaan barang dagang. So the benefit of making this dashboard is to give information to the owner of the business. In this case, the business is macaroni sedap ya. About how many finished good inventory are remaining. Whenever there is lack of inventory, so the owner will make decision to repurchase or to reproduce uh, the product. Yeah, for example, like this, there is there are several product and packaging which left zero like this, and of course we cannot wait a product to be blank, to be empty, because in case there is a sudden order from customer, our business, if you want your business to be running smoothly and then going concern. Yeah, make sure that every order can be fulfilled. Yeah, don't make your customer disappointed. Okay, so you can tidy up this table like that in another table. Because I love yellow, I will choose yellow color. Now is this one. The same yellow but different style. You can rename, you can adjust according to your preference. You can also give a title. So yeah, we're finished. Mm, okay, to make it more clearly to the owner about yes, stock out notification, we can make some rules. For example, like this: you block the column of this dashboard, and then you go to conditional formatting, and then click highlight cells with rules. Okay, you can choose less than, because the notification will be given if the stock is less than, yeah, the stock outs less than. Just set up as your reference. For example, I want to be notified. Actually, this is according to the need of the owner. Yeah. For example, if the owner wants to be notified whenever the stock out is already under or less than five products or five packs. Yeah. Okay, so just type five. You can also choose what color as the sign, or distinguish between the rule and non-rule. Yeah, or maybe red text, or maybe you have custom format. The color maybe should be red, and then the fill is white, maybe. And then for the font, it must be red. Hmm, I think it's not eye-catching. No color. Or just red text. I think it's enough. Yeah, for example, like this. Okay. Mm. Do the same for other tables like this. In dashboard penjualan and keuntungan, there are actually deficit, yeah, like this, loss, not profit. So we can notify the owner not to make another product which cause loss, not profit. Less if you want that the rule is non-negative, so click only 0 in this case. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. And do the same for this as well. For example, 50 or 100 grams. Okay. All of the inventory of materials are safe because there are above, yeah, 100 as our minimum stock available. Well, I think that's all as the guidance of making the dashboard. In addition, maybe you are also required to make a chart. Yeah, like here in my application. But this is optional actually. What is the purpose of the chart? Chart is simplifying the tables. Yeah. Maybe sometimes we cannot catch the insight of a table quickly, but it's different when we see from the chart. The chart can give us a clue or insight more quickly than looking at table. So this is dashboard persediaan bahan baku, our first dashboard whenever it is placed on a chart. So we can directly see that macaroni uh, is the direct material which has the most quantity on hand. Yeah. And on the other side, jagung manis is the least quantity on hand. Like that. Is there any question? Is it clear? Hello?
I think it's enough.
Yeah. Don't worry. I have recorded the meeting session so you can replay and replay, yeah, as much as you wish, as much as you need. But make sure in our next encounter, your work is finished. Okay? Yes. All
Yes,
right. I think
I have a
all. Yeah.
question.
Okay, Salsabila. What about?
Yes, for our group, we still continue with the new advanced formula that
Is it?
you explained earlier, yang tadi Miss jelasin.
Uh-huh. Formula. What formula? Sorry.
Karena kan kita masih ngestak di rumusnya kan, masih banyak yang belum, karena masih ada yang nggak bisa rumusnya tuh, masih nggak bisa
Yeah.
dimasukin, nggak tahu salahnya di mana. Jadi kita harus
Okay.
tetap nyelesain di rumusnya dulu ya.
Yeah. Sure. Could you please share your Excel,
Okay,
your
wait.
screen, maybe? What formula exactly?
Oh, ini nggak bisa share screen ya, Miss? Harus
Oh, sorry.
hostnya
Yeah,
harus
yeah.
di dulu.
Try again. Try again. I forgot that this is the new session, so I have to reset up the sharing screen.
Oke.
What about the other two groups? Are you okay? Is everything's fine and understood?
Miss, I already sent my new file to the group.
Oh, okay. Oh, new file, yeah? Okay, I'll check it later. Now let's pay attention to Salsa screen. Okay, Salsa, what formula exactly in trouble? Harga. Okay. Actually, harga, what formula should you insert on that column according to the module? Salsa, monitor.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. According to module that you already hold, yeah, what formula should you insert into that column to column harga? What formula? Index, yeah. Okay, now the produk harga. Yes, double click on that. And then the harga itself, after tabel produk harga, the field harga, make sure it is also the same or the exact match with that in tabel produk harga. I mean, please place your cursor to the tabel underscore produk underscore harga and field harga. Okay, click on that. Yes. Sorry. Go back to the left. Okay, yes. Try to delete several characters in that. Delete. Yeah. Double click the harga. Yes. And then do the same with now uh okay, semicolon match, and then D4, the D4 cell, as you can also see in your table, D4 is the second row, yeah, not the first row. So replace it with D3. Okay, D3, yeah. Do the same for E4 as well. E4, change it into E3. Try to enter. Okay. Kode produk. Uh, the kode produk, try to delete it several characters and then double click. Nah, oh yeah, it's only kode in your table, not kode produk. Try to enter again. And hmm. Can I have a look at your tabel produk harga? Where is your tabel produk harga? Can you show us? Ah, your tabel produk harga, your harga column is still 0. It's still blank. You should insert it. Okay? So the problem is already solved, I think.
Um, okay, Miss.
Okay, what about other formula? Have you found several errors or something must be cleared on other formulas? If
I
yes,
think no, Miss.
okay. So everything's fine, yeah?
Yes.
Another
Thank you,
question?
Miss.
Okay, no worries. Another question maybe before we terminate our class? Nope. All right. If there's no question anymore, I'd like to close our meeting today. So for Nandika, because you didn't attend at our last meeting, so make sure that in the next meeting you sign up. Yeah, you sign your attendance in this meeting because all of your friends have signed it for this meeting, but you, yeah, except you. So thank you for your attendance, for your attention. I hope that my explanation can be beneficial for you and clearly understood. See you on the next meeting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
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 Thank you, Miss.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Miss.
Miss.
You